Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video, this is the part 2 as promised on our how to style series. I will be showing you 6 protective styles that are super easy to do, which require no extensions of any sort, and they are very easy to learn. For the first style of today, I will be sectioning the front part of my hair into two, and I created a curve. So the curve, I will just be securing each side of the curve with a rubber band that has been probably soaked in oil. If you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell right beside it, like, and at the end of the video tell me what you loved about this video. Then I'll be repeating the process for the next style by just basically securing it with a rubber band, wrapping it round, and securing it with a bobby pin. Next up, I will be securing the sides with bobby pin, or you can use a shoelace. So I'll be showing you how I used two of these to create the half up and half down style. So when you create any of the styles of today, or if you had created any of the previous styles in my last video, kindly tag me on Instagram at theFHBBYPAM. I will leave the link in the description box below where you can get to contact me, chat me up, and I will reply, so we can get to grow this family, become friends. For the next style, I'll be sectioning my hair into two using the ratio of 60:40. I'll be creating the flat twist style. So I'll just be securing the back portion with a rubber band, and I'll be creating the flat twist style at the front part. If you love to see a detailed video of any of the styles I created in this video of today or in my previous video, kindly let me know in the comment section right down, and I will create the detailed video just for you. For the back section, you can leave it as a puff or as a bun. So leaving it as a puff, I decided to use a shoelace instead of a rubber band because I prefer a shoelace. It doesn't tension my roots as much as a rubber band does. So I'm just using a shoelace to wrap the back section into of my hair. But if you would like a more compact look, you can do it into a bun, which I will show you using a rubber band that has been soaked in oil. For the next style, I'll be creating a side twist and a center puff. If you've checked out my last video, you would have seen these super easy styles I created, which required little to no gel, bobby pins, or even shoelace. They are very easy styles, and I even showed you how to create the perfect puffs, the perfect buns for your go-to styles that you can. I showed my own go-to style that I love, my eye-centered puff. I showed it so you can check it out to see the different awesome styles I created. And if you also love to see my detangling process of how I am able to maintain my hair as soft as it is to create these styles, check the last video out. For the next style, I'll be sectioning my hair into two. You can use the 60-40 ratio or 50-50 ratio depending on what you like, and I'm just basically doing a bantu knot. So for this bantu knot, I will split the first section into two, then split the section again into two, then I'll create my 4 bantu knots for the first roll. You can also create the bantu knot for the back portion, but I decided to leave it as a puff and bun. If you would love to see a detailed video of any of these styles, either the flat twist, the bantu knot, the puffs, the twists, or even how to create the anti-clockwise twist, the clockwise twist, let me know in the comment section down below, and the videos will be up very soon. For the next style, this is basically a cornrows and puff style. You just need to section your hair into 2 equal halves, weave it down. If you don't know how to weave, I can also teach you this. Very easy to do. Once you get it, you get the hang of it, and ensure that for this style you don't weave it to the ends, just weave it halfway, then you just wrap it up with your shoelace, our infamous shoelace. I really love using my shoelace to create a lot of styles. It's very portable, you can carry it anywhere, and we even have it on most of our shoes, so it's something that is a go-to accessories for me. You can accessorize any of these styles to your taste using the African bead, the cowries. You can use a silver or gold accessory, just any of your accessories that you love. And if you will create any styles, tag me on Instagram at theFHBBYPAM. The link will be in the description box down below. For the next style, this is just a bonus style that I'm just creating a curve at the center of my hair, and I will just create a cornrows, and I will just pack it into a bun. Ensure that the lining of your hair or the pattern of your hair is neat. If you are a beginner also and you love any of these styles and you can't create a perfect part, you can ask your friend, your siblings to help you so as to get it, because a perfect part brings out more beauty to the hair. Or you can also practice how to create a perfect part on your hair, or using a dummy, any one of your choice. For the next and final style, I'll be showing you my crisscross twist. So the front part of my hair, which have been divided into a curve, will be split into 2 equal halves. Then each half will be divided into 2 sections, whereby there will be, I'll use a rubber band to just hold each of the sections. And the rubber band, ensure that your rubber band has been soaked in oil. Then ensure that it's tight also, not so tight but tight enough for you to achieve the style for today. Then I'll be doing it for the next half also, dividing into 2 equal sections to achieve the style. Then you'll be twisting each of the sections. Ensure that you twist properly so it will not lose and it will have a firm hold to create this final style of today. Then next up, you will be crossing this twist from one side of the hair into the next part of the hair to give it an X shape. And you can also use your accessories to accentuate the X so that it can be more obvious to create the crisscross style. And I'm just using my diamond brush to smoothen out my edges, and I'm using my infamous shoelace to just pack my hair into a puff, and each of the twists that has been crossed will be held down by a bobby pin wrapped around the puff to just give it that twist ending look, to give it a more nice style. And this is just the crisscross style, very easy to do, very simple and chic. You can also change the puff into a bun by just using a rubber band to pack your hair into a compact to give it a more compact and easy look. Subscribe, like, hit the notification bell right beside it. I can't wait to see you in my next video.